Yeah, you're gonna follow him? Go. He'll be 2 next week. Yeah. Oh yes, he is. Yay, DJ, good job, Jet! Yeah. Now you, DJ. Now you go. Good job, DJ. You got it. No?
Baby, go.
You're not gonna fall.
Baby, go.
Yes, and GJ's not going?
Baby, mom.
Come on.
Baby, mom. No, that's my brother.
You're not gonna try it, GJ? Well, you gotta cross the net if you wanna go over there.
Baby?
You wanna go with the baby?
Yeah.
Oh.
He's not really a baby. He's 3 years old already.
Big baby.
Look,
Okay, let's go back.